Looking for a reliable floor box that fits perfectly in your home? The RACO Single Gang Floor Box Kit with Recessed Duplex 15A Tamper Resistant Device is designed to deliver both convenience and durability. Its sleek black finish and recessed receptacle ensure a clean look, making it a smart choice for residential spaces. This floor box supports power data with a 15A, 125 volts tamper-resistant receptacle, providing safe and secure connections. What sets it apart is the removable neoprene gaskets, allowing you to use either side of the receptacle independently, even with the cover closed. That flexibility means fewer interruptions and more efficient use of your outlets. Installation is straightforward. The adjustable steel box can be set up before or after your flooring is finished, thanks to its height-accessible adjustments. This feature saves time and hassle during remodeling or new construction projects, ensuring a perfect fit every time without complicated fine-tuning. The recessed design minimizes plug protrusion, so you can place furniture directly over the device without worrying about cords sticking out. This not only improves safety but also keeps your living space neat and organized. It's a subtle detail that makes a big difference in everyday use. Manufactured by RACO in China, this product combines quality materials with thoughtful engineering. Journeyman electricians across the United States praise it as the best floor box for residential applications. Its easy-to-cut template and fully adjustable box make installation smooth and efficient, even for those working on tight schedules. If you want a floor box that balances functionality, safety, and style, this RACO kit is worth considering. It's built to last and designed to blend seamlessly into your home environment. Whether you're updating your living room or adding outlets in a new build, this product offers what you need without compromise. Ready to upgrade your floor outlets? The RACO Single Gang Floor Box Kit with Recessed Duplex 15A device delivers dependable performance and easy installation. Try it when you're ready to experience the difference a quality floor box can make.